Welcome to this week's picks of Amazon must-haves. If you are on the search for some of the best valued products, I've got an incredible lineup for you. From TVs to dash cams, I've some excellent options. Check the links in the description. Let me know what you think of my picks, whether you like them or don't, and what you would pick in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell to never miss out on my top picks for each week. This Samsung 65-inch Class QLED 4K TV has a stunning 4K Ultra HD resolution, which translates to exceptional clarity and detail. Whether you're watching movies, sports, or gaming, this TV supports high dynamic range. That means you're getting brighter whites, richer blacks, and a more lifelike picture when you're watching content that supports HDR. It's like bringing the cinema into your living room. With its built-in smart features, you can easily stream content from your favorite platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, and more. No need for external streaming devices. Behind the scenes, it's powered by Samsung's Quantum Processor 4K. What that means for you is improved upscaling and picture enhancement, even for non-4K content. So, your older movies and shows will look better than ever. And here's a cool bonus. When you're not using the TV, you can activate ambient mode. It can display art or blend into your room's decor, adding an extra touch of style to your living space. The Vantrue X4S Duo front and rear dashcam doesn't mess around. It records in stunning 4K resolution for the front camera and 1080p for the rear camera. Whether you're capturing scenic drives or need crystal clear evidence in case of an accident, this dashcam has got you covered. One of the standout features here is the wide-angle lens on both cameras. This ensures you're capturing not just what's in front, but also the lanes on the sides. Plus, it's got infrared night vision, meaning you'll get top-notch footage even in low light or nighttime conditions. The loop recording feature ensures that your memory card never gets full. It automatically overwrites the oldest files, so you're always recording. And if there's a sudden collision, the built-in G sensor detects it and locks and saves the video footage for you, navigating through the settings, and your footage is a breeze thanks to the user-friendly touchscreen interface. It's intuitive and responsive, making it easy to manage your dashcam. Now, in terms of downsides, some might find the dashcam a bit bulky, potentially obstructing part of your windshield view, but considering the incredible value you're getting at this discounted price, it's a minor trade-off. The Fire TV Stick 4K Max delivers stunning 4K Ultra HD streaming with support for Dolby Vision, HDR10, and HLG, ensuring a top-notch viewing experience. It boasts a faster processor, making it snappier and better at handling all your favorite streaming apps and even some games. With the included Alexa voice remote, you can control your TV and compatible smart home devices with just your voice, making it incredibly convenient. The Fire TV Stick offers access to a massive library of streaming services, including Netflix, Prime Video, Hulu, Disney Plus, and more, so you'll never run out of things to watch. Unlike some other streaming devices, the Fire TV Stick 4K Max relies solely on Wi-Fi for internet connectivity. It's usually not an issue, but if you prefer a wired connection for stability, keep this in mind. While it offers a wide range of apps, Amazon does promote its own services, so if you're deep into another ecosystem, this might not be your top pick. The Whall 5-in-1 Pet Grooming Vacuum is your all-in-one solution for pet care and home cleanliness. The grooming attachments, like the pet hairbrush and massaging comb, make pet grooming a breeze, reducing shedding and keeping your fur baby's coat healthy. The vacuum function has some serious suction power. It can pick up pet hair, dander, and debris from carpets, upholstery, and hardwood floors with ease. It comes with an integrated air purifier. That means it doesn't just clean your floors, it also helps reduce allergens and odors in your home, perfect for allergy sufferers. Cleaning the vacuum is a breeze, too. It has a large dustbin that's easy to empty, so no more hassle when it's time for maintenance. For your pet's comfort, it operates quietly, minimizing stress during grooming sessions. The Raymate Bluetooth speakers. These speakers are all about delivering a fantastic audio experience. With hi-fi sound-proven audio processing technology, 20-watt dual speaker drivers, and a more powerful amplifier module, they ensure even, balanced sound without any distortion. They come with IPX7 waterproof protection, guarding against rain, dust, snow, and splashes. That means you can enjoy your music by the pool, at the beach, in the park, even in the bathroom. These speakers sport a sleek, golden ratio rectangular body, combined with the purest colors. They're the perfect blend of form and function, making them a great fit for a variety of settings. A speaker that not only sounds good, but looks good too. With a high-capacity battery, these speakers keep the party going for more than 15 hours. Plus, they feature a stable Type-C charging port, which means less waiting and more jamming. They come with a 180-day warranty. If you have any questions about the product, Raymate has got your back. Just reach out to them for support. And there you have it, 5 amazing picks from Amazon, from the stunning Samsung QLED TV to the Vantrue dash cam, Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max, Whall Pet Grooming Vacuum, and the Raymate Bluetooth speakers. Don't forget to let me know what you think of my picks for this week. And if you have something you think is better, in the comments below. Product links are in the description. If you found this video helpful, please share it. Don't forget to hit the like button, ring the notification bell to get notified when I post videos, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and deals. Thanks for tuning in to Creative Verge, where smart choices begin.